While the idea of manifesting anything you want within 24 hours may sound enticing, it's essential to approach manifestation with realistic expectations and an understanding of the process. Manifestation involves aligning your thoughts, beliefs, emotions, and actions with your desires to bring them into reality. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to manifest effectively. Set clear intentions. Start by clarifying exactly what you want to manifest within the next 24 hours. Be specific and detailed about your desires. Write them down as if they've already happened, using positive language and affirmations. Visualize your desired outcome. Close your eyes and visualize yourself already experiencing your desired outcome. Imagine it in vivid detail, engaging all your senses. Feel the emotions associated with achieving your goal, such as joy, gratitude, and excitement. Release resistance. Let go of any doubts, fears, or limiting beliefs that may be blocking your manifestation. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations and focus on trusting the process. Practice gratitude. Cultivate a sense of gratitude for what you already have in your life and for the manifestation that is on its way. Express gratitude for the abundance that surrounds you, and believe that more blessings are on their way. Raise your vibration. Raise your energetic frequency by engaging in activities that make you feel happy, inspired, and empowered. This could include listening to uplifting music, spending time in nature, practicing meditation, or engaging in acts of kindness. Take inspired action. While manifestation involves aligning with the energy of your desires, it also requires taking inspired action towards your goals. Pay attention to any intuitive nudges or opportunities that arise and take proactive steps to move closer to your desired outcome. Trust the universe. Have faith that the universe is working in your favor and that your desires are on their way to you. Trust that everything is unfolding as it should and remain open to receiving blessings in unexpected ways. Release attachment to timing. Let go of the need to control the timing of your manifestation. Trust that the universe knows the perfect timing for your desires to manifest and remain patient and open to receiving. Stay positive and optimistic. Maintain a positive attitude and optimistic outlook throughout the manifestation process. Focus on what you want to manifest rather than dwelling on what you lack or the obstacles in your way. Express gratitude. As your manifestation begins to unfold, express gratitude for its manifestation. Celebrate every small win and acknowledge the abundance that is flowing into your life. Remember that manifestation is a continuous process, and results may not always occur within a specific time frame, such as 24 hours. However, by following these steps consistently and with patience, you can manifest your desires and create the life you truly want. Benefits of manifestation. Clarity and focus. Manifestation helps you gain clarity on your desires and focus your energy on what you truly want to achieve. Empowerment. By realizing that you have the power to create your reality, manifestation empowers you to take control of your life and shape it according to your desires. Positive mindset. Practicing manifestation fosters a positive mindset by focusing on what you want rather than dwelling on what you lack or fear. Increased self-awareness. Manifestation encourages introspection and self-reflection, leading to greater self-awareness and personal growth. Alignment with purpose. As you manifest your desires, you align yourself with your true purpose and values, leading to a more fulfilling and purposeful life. Improved well-being. Manifestation promotes emotional well-being by reducing stress, anxiety, and negativity, and fostering a sense of gratitude and contentment. Enhanced creativity. Engaging in the manifestation process stimulates your creative faculties, leading to innovative ideas and solutions. Manifestation as a tool for growth. Manifestation serves as a tool for personal and spiritual growth, allowing you to evolve and expand beyond your current limitations. Conclusion. In conclusion, manifestation is a powerful tool for creating the life you desire. By setting clear intentions, visualizing your goals, and aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with your desires, you can harness the energy of manifestation to bring about positive change in your life. While results may not always occur immediately or within a specific time frame, consistency, patience, and trust in the process are key. Embrace the journey of manifestation as a means of self-discovery, empowerment, and transformation, and watch as your dreams unfold before your eyes. Remember, you have the power to manifest anything you truly desire. Believe it, receive it, and live it.